you want to pair set zones using the multi-zone wall plate, all you need to do is hold down the match key on the receiver and then click on the first zone button on the wall plate. This will connect that receiver to zone 1. You then go through and you can go up to 4 zones. So on the second one, hold down the match key and then hold down zone 2. Once you have done this, you won't be able to use the on button for all of them to start with. You will have to turn each zone on individually first by holding down on the zone keys. And as you can see, this brings on each strip individually. And once they're all on, you can use the wall plate to control them together or separately. And if you hold down each number as well of the zones, you can turn them off individually as well.